Hello friends! It's been a while since we last spoke. How are you guys? I'm in Korea. I'm here in Seoul and I arrived here a few days ago and I'm gonna be here for a while. So I thought it's time for a change. It's been a long time since I posted content, like regular content. I'm not talking about workout videos. Even for workout videos, it's not as much as it used to be, you know? So yeah. There was just a lot of shit to deal with. I was just not inspired. That's the problem. I was just not inspired. So I'm here in a new environment for quite some time. So I'm gonna try my best to enjoy my time here, enjoy the sights, learn more about the culture because it's really interesting here. Enjoy the food here. Hopefully I'll enjoy myself so much that I'll produce a lot more content because I don't want to make this into a chore. I want to be able to enjoy what I'm doing again, which I think I will because I'm in a new place. Right? That's the plan. More regular content, hopefully. That's the plan. So I'm gonna head out to do some shopping because I forgot to bring my gym shoes, which is tragic because I've not been to the gym for a long time and I really want to try out Korean gym. Let's chat in a bit when we head out. I do want to talk a little bit more about what's up for my channel in the future because I'm not sure if I'm gonna be posting as much workout videos. That's a discussion I'll make with you guys later when we're out and about. I can't decide, should I wear black on black? It's always good to go with black or nude and khaki. Tell me, let me know in the comments. But it's too late because I picked it already. Here's my accommodation. It's pretty cute. I really like the kitchen, but I don't think I'm gonna be cooking much. But yeah, here's the view. Wow, how beautiful. So I chose black. This is the outfit. Guys, I'm here in the library and I'm dying from heat. It's so hot in here. Like, I don't know what's with Korean indoor temperatures. It's just insanely hot and I feel like I can't breathe in here. And I felt the same way in Japan. And also on the way here in the taxi, like it's really sunny. It's 24 degrees or something, but there's no AC in here and sometimes they turn on the heater even when it's like 20 something degrees. It's insane. Like, why? I'm sweating. Aren't they all sweating? This is a really nice spot. It's a really popular Instagram spot and my Insta game is so bad. It's just my curtains, my home and my workout clothes. That's all I've been posting for years now. I feel like it's been 2 years since I've been doing that. So maybe I'll take a picture here today, but there's so many people. How am I gonna take a picture here? There's literally like 1,000 people in here and it's so hot. I'm struggling. I can't remember my Korean. Kong, Ju, Ka, Chan, De, hey. What that means in Korean is Chloe is amazing. You're gonna follow her workout and you're gonna get ripped for the summer. That's exactly what this book is telling us. Let's go. I want something flat. This is pretty flat. Like a comfy. No sun. No sun. I like flat shoes for lifting weights, but when I'm doing HIIT workouts, generally I prefer like running shoes or like training shoes. But for lifting weights, I like it as flat as possible so I have like good grip on the floor. So I feel more stable and I can lift heavier. Yeah, that's the main reason why I'm looking for like flat shoes, just for training. Want some pics? getting these pairs, and it's $89,000. No more big pics for you guys. I'm wearing black boots. Look, look. Gosh, I like you so much. She's so pretty. I really like Reebok. Like, seriously, I shouldn't give my opinion. I don't wanna offend Adidas, Nike, Converse, Under Armour, Vans. Depends on who wants to sponsor me. I really like you, Nike too. Adidas, Converse, Reebok. I think it's time for some dessert or some drink because I'm thirsty. I'm really hot right now. I'm feeling really hot. Like, can you see that my face is literally oily and sweaty right now? Don't come here. Okay, I'm done shopping and I'm here at my favorite dessert store in Seoul. It's called Ting, and it's basically snowflakes dessert with like strawberries or mango and all kinds of stuff on top of it. But I'm not sure whether this is the best dessert place in Seoul. So let me know down in the comments if you have any other suggestions. I got strawberry because it's Sakura season, you know, just trying to fit in the vibe. Is it focused? I don't think it's focused, but yeah. I got some extra anchovy. It's like mochi. They have this in Japan as well. It's a bit too hot. But I like warabi mochi, which is really soft. Alright, I just want to talk to you guys about a couple of things because it's been a while. I just feel like the internet has become a little bit of a scary place. For me as a creator anyway. I feel like everything is just so sensitive these days, so I find it so much more difficult to create content. And my point is, I have to be extra careful when I'm making content these days, and it takes the joy out of creating something because I've stopped creating content for a while, and when I stop creating content, I feel like a failure. And I'm not sure if other creators feel the same way, but I do feel like that because that's my job and I'm not really doing my job well. So I'm trying to get back on it and feel like I'm doing something more productive with my life. I guess that's what I want to tell you guys. But yeah, since coming back from a break, I'm gonna try my best to post content I want to post instead of overthinking things or when to post or what people are gonna say, because if people are gonna say bad things, they are still gonna say bad things. Like, no matter how perfect you try to be, people are gonna pick out the things they want to criticize about, right? So what's next for the channel? Honestly, I don't know. So let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see from me. Do you guys want to see more home workouts, gym workouts, what I eat? Like, what kind of content do you guys want to see from me? Ultimately, I want to create something you guys want to see. But one thing for sure is that I need to change things up. So let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see. And yeah, that's all. I'm gonna try to finish my solving. It's melting. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.